Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Use 8 large eggs and 2 pounds of waxy potatoes. Steam or boil potatoes until fork tender, about 15 minutes, then cool briefly and peel if needed. Hard boil eggs for 10 minutes, cool in ice water, then peel. Reserve 4 yolks for deviled filling and chop 4 whites for the salad. Set the remaining 4 whites aside to halve or chop for texture. Cut potatoes into 3/4-inch cubes so they hold shape and mix smoothly with the egg components. Mix 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons Dijon, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper to make a balanced dressing with tang and sweetness. Mash reserved 4 yolks with 2 tablespoons mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon mustard until smooth. This creates the deviled component. Fold the dressing into the cooled potatoes and chopped whites gently so cubes remain intact, keeping some yolk filling separate to pipe or dollop on top for the deviled appearance. Pipe remaining yolk filling on top of scoops for visual deviled effect and sprinkle 2 tablespoons chopped chives and 1 teaspoon smoked paprika for color and aroma. Add chopped dill pickles or 1/4 cup pickle chips for acidity and texture, and gently fold 1/4 cup finely diced celery if desired. Chill salad 1 to 2 hours before serving to let flavors meld. Refrigerate leftovers in an airtight container up to 3 days, and stir gently before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.